One law, however, will not be going into effect. It would allow state law enforcement to file criminal charges against people who have been previously denied entry into the state or were previously deported. Dana Searles joins us now in studio. Dana, you have been talking with community advocates today. What have their reactions been to the injunction on this law?
Well, Stephanie, advocates tell me the injunction on this law is very important. I spoke with law enforcement, immigration lawyers, and advocates about their next steps following the pause, and they say the work is not over yet. The law, originally enforceable on July 1st, now is temporarily on pause.
So this was very important, not only for the families of immigrants, but also for all citizens, all of Iowa.
It's a law that is coming with a lot of questions.
And from a law enforcement perspective, we had not received any guidance from anybody about the law and how to enforce it.
But now the U.S. Department of Justice and the Iowa Migrant Movement for Justice will work to make this injunction permanent.
To uphold that it would invite just all manner of complications and slowdowns and what have you.
Advocates say the injunction is the first step to relief for immigrant communities.
Yeah, it's been terrible. People are wondering, what are we going to have to do? Are we going to have to move before this law takes effect?
This particular legislation has created a lot of concern in our community, and there's still a lot of unanswered questions.
But the work doesn't stop here, as groups hope to send a message.
I think it's important for Iowans to realize how much work, how much effort, how much of a contribution that immigrants do.
And law enforcement waits to navigate the next steps, but also emphasizing its message.
We just want to make sure that the message to our community remains that it's still safe to call the police. You should call the police. We're all in this together, and we all need to work together to keep our community safe.
Attorney General Brenna Bird already announced that she plans to appeal this temporary injunction. Attorneys will continue to litigate this law through the courts until the law is either enforceable or there is a total block. Stephanie?